Nothing Phone has launched its new mid-range smartphone in India called Nothing Phone 4B, with quite a unique rear camera module that includes glyph bar interface. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Nothing Phone 4B features a tall 6.77-inch Super AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Dragontail Pro Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Nothing Phone 4B sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119.5-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Nothing OS 4.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 78.2 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Nothing Phone 4B has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 34,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 38,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 14th in black, blue, and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nothing Phone 4B smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in our next video.
Yeah.